Everyone wants that 500% return play. Everyone wants to beef up the portfolios by the end of this year and obviously every month, right? You want to grow your portfolio. What's going on, everyone? My name is Ty on behalf of CryptoVerse, where we talk about all things crypto and DeFi related. And in today's video, I think I found a hidden project, not so hidden, more so undervalued. All right. Before we get in the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe only if, like I said, only if you guys enjoy the content. But after the video, I'm sure you guys will enjoy the content. I got a lot of information for you guys. I'm going to get you guys on the rocket ship before it takes off. Let's get right into the video. Undervalued project is Loopring. All right, so what is Loopring? Before we even go further, we got to understand what Loopring is, okay? So Loopring is a layer 2 operated on the Ethereum network, just like Polygon or Matic. So on their website, what is Loopring, right? It's secure. Loopring is an open source, audited, and non-custodial exchange and payment protocol. Nobody in the Loopring ecosystem needs to trust others. zkRollup ensures assets are always under users' own control, 100% Ethereum level security guarantee. Hide throughout. Loopring powers highly scalable decentralized exchanges. For those of you that don't know what a decentralized exchange is, Coinbase, Binance, those are centralized exchanges, right? Where there's like a middleman that operates or holds your money. Um, Loopring has a DEX, which is decentralized. I just had to put that out there for people that didn't know what a DEX or a centralized exchange was. And it's low cost. As you guys know, Ethereum has a lot of issues with gas fees. I think the average for a transaction is like $50, right? If you're making a minimal transaction, let's say $100, you're probably paying 40, $50, right? So just in gas fees alone. So it wouldn't make it worthwhile. Regardless of that, let's dive into its market cap and some of its statistics. All right. So Loopring, as we see here on CoinMarketCap, 1.4 billion market cap with 1.33 billion circulating supply. So I mean, there's not many tokens out there, right? Which is always a good thing. As you can see, you might be wondering why there is a 13% pullback on the day. If we look here on the 7 days, right? Yeah, about like 50 cents, and then it started running up due to the GameStop news, where um, GameStop announced, or there was rumors that were announced that a partnership between Loopring and GameStop in the NFT space may be coming about, which obviously, right, skyrocketed the price. Regardless of that, though, right, there was what? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about like 4 or 5 days of green, right? There has to be a pullback, a correction, and it's at 1.07 now, $1.07, extremely discounted. And another thing I want to mention is if we go to Cardano, right? And the reason why I'm comparing Cardano is because I want to show you guys how big NFTs are. And remember, here on this channel is facts over feelings. I don't really have a feeling towards NFTs, but the fact is it's a growing industry and it'll continue to grow. So we gotta put our feelings to the side and understand there is money to be made in the NFT space. Okay, so check this out with Cardano the last year. All right, so we look at Cardano, we can see that the price in November 5th, right? November 4th of last year, November 5th, it was trading around 10 cents. And then we forward it to July, where NFT started to grow, and Cardano had its own NFT platform, CNFT. We can see here, right, in July, right, June, July, you can see here the price started to rocket, right? Price started to rocket. So that just goes to show you that NFT brings tremendous value to a project. Regardless of that, I also want to show you guys how big NFTs are in the real world and where I see the future head as well, to give you guys a perspective on those of you who don't feel really strong about it. All right, so we're on Twitter right now. I'm just gonna go show you one key trick that I'm gonna put you guys on is if you guys go to Twitter, you can search up anything related to what you want to see, and there will probably be tweets, videos, pictures on it, right? So I typed in NFT art show, scroll down a bit, and you see here New York Times Square NFT right here popping up, right? Boom. Another project, November 2nd, NFT party, right? You keep scrolling. Boom, another one, right? So like I said, NFTs is in the beginning stage, right? I want you guys to get on the wave. You guys don't have to buy NFTs, right? But just invest in projects that have that deal with NFTs, right? Like I said, facts over feelings. NFTs are a growing industry. You guys got to get in on it, all right? Another thing is I found this article very well written. Obviously, articles should never be 100% validated just on reading it. You have to do your own research and confirm it. Check this out. We can see here they talked about Loopring, how it has increased over the last 7 days, right? Trading volume has spiked. GameStop's price has also spiked. They talked about how Loopring is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, the primary blockchain network for NFT collectibles. It enables faster, cheaper transaction by handling them on a separate blockchain before rolling them up and committing them to the Ethereum mainnet. It's also more energy efficient than pushing all transactions directly to Ethereum. And then it also said GameStop first teased its plans for an Ethereum-based NFT marketplace back in May and hire Matthew Feinstone, right? Like I said, you guys always have to confirm this on your own time, right? But for this video's sake, I did confirm Matthew Feinstone does work for GameStop, all right? On top of that, check this out. He used to work for Loopring, okay? Going back to the article, and then they also posted jobs, and I did confirm that as well on their website. We can see here, boom, right? Like I said, NFT is a new feature, whether you like it or not. So these are just job position openings that GameStop posted. So 2 confirmations there. On top of that, I also want to show you guys this. Shout out to my cousin for giving me this source. This is a coding in Loopring's coding. Check that out, right? GameStop, right? Maybe this is just preparation for that, but like I said, this is all speculation. But yeah, maybe that could be a tease. But like I said, this is just introduction videos on Loopring as a whole. Why I think that if Loopring partners up with GameStop, it could be huge, as we've seen for Cardano, right? NFT just skyrocketed the price. And I also want to give you guys perspective. All right? So we are on Coin Perspective. So you guys don't know, you guys can use this tool as a tool to compare market caps and what the price of your coin would be, right? Obviously, it has a 1.3 billion market cap. I don't see it going to 66 billion or 63 billion like Cardano, but I certainly see after the partnership, it could definitely get to around 5 billion, right? And at that, you would see around $4, right? Per token, right? Making you a 400% return. Or not 400%, 300% return, essentially. So that just goes to show you the upside. The risk is very low. Let's go on to the technical analysis side to check out the risks. All right. So we see here, right? Obviously, a lot of things are down on the day, a lot of red. We can see here, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, right? See here, right? Started picking up momentum, and it kept going up. Little pullback, going up, right? And I think this is a price correction, price discovery. I think this is the price we're going to be sitting at until there's some news. But like I said, you guys want to get in on it before the news, right? I think by the end of the year, it can definitely get back to like $1.50. Obviously not a lot of gains, but obviously this is just I want to say it's low risk. There is a lot of risk involved, as GameStop partnership is a main catalyst for LRC to propel to the moon if the partnership doesn't go through. Obviously have a strategy. Maybe you get out of this trade unscathed. But regardless, I'm getting in on it. I really believe in the NFT marketplace, and obviously we know GameStop people to bring on their team, right? People that specialize in NFT marketing, products, all that stuff. All right, you guys, and that wraps it up for the video. I just want to give you guys an introduction on a coin that I see potential in. Obviously, do your own research. I personally did buy at the $1.07 mark. I believe that is the support. Obviously, if you looked at the technical analysis, a lot of the candles bounce off that $1.08 level. So regardless of that, I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you guys are an investor, a holder, iffy about it, just leave it down in the description below, and I'll definitely, respond to you guys. Also, follow me on Twitter as well as my partner. Link in the description. And without further ado, like I said, invest in your future, and your future self will thank you. Peace out, guys.